So Tesla. Uh, I was really looking forward to Tesla kind of breaking out and clearing out a lot of levels of supply today. I was hoping that we were going to get up into this range, sort of recapture this 20-day moving average as well as this 10-day moving average. What I was looking at coming into the day today is if we could just clear out some of this supply and really get back up in here to this 1080, 1084 zone, was going to look extremely bullish just because of the fact that there's nothing but open skies ahead. Instead, Tesla sold off, and I thought we were going to hold. There was a level here intraday that I was looking at for Tesla to hold, and that was this rising 50-day moving average, and that price was going to be around 1040, 1030. I was looking for the market to kind of pull back a little bit and then even stabilize, kind of hold this level and then maybe bounce up. But you can just see here, looking at these hour candles, Tesla actually gave a pretty good setup to the downside. You can see this candle here that I'm hovering over is the 6 a.m. candle. This is the first candle of the day, 7 a.m. closed. We not only did we tag this 50-day moving average on the 1 hour time frame, kind of bounced up, but if you were to just take this 1038, 1037 level here, wait for the next hour's confirmation and short this, you would have actually made some pretty good cheese, just due to the fact that once it confirmed 1038, we did get down here to lows of around 1,000, 1,002 in that range. So that was about a 25-30 point move. So just keep this in mind. If you're a day trader and you're a scalper, you cannot have a bias. The last 2 days have really messed with me as a trader, just due to the fact that I do my best, but I'm human like anyone else, but I do my best not to have a bias coming in every day. I do have, I always set up my watch list, or I have some longs, I have some shorts. So I did come into today with Tesla as one of my long plays. Okay. I was looking to trade it to the upside. It never confirmed. And when it started going south, I didn't trust the move just because I had this idea that Tesla was going to go higher today. And that really starts to screw with you because of the fact that if you take that approach each and every day, and I'll just use Tesla for example, and you say, oh, I want to play Tesla long today. And it never gives you that signal, that confirmation, that setup, and then it gives you a perfect setup to the downside. But because you came in with such a strong bias, you never took that play and potentially missed out on some cash flow. Again, the way that the market has been trading up and down and up and down and sideways and choppy and low volume and this and that and the other, it's been very hard, for myself to really catch a good play that I really believe in. To catch a play that, kind of just pans out all day, meaning that once it confirms, you kind of get into that trade and you're confident it's building in your favor, it's building over your level, it's building over the pivot, and you can kind of see the trade work out. The past couple of days, stocks are spiking and then immediately pulling back in, and they're losing some support levels. And then when you think that they're ready for a short, they bounce on you. Very tough market. I think the next week to 2 weeks are going to be like this, to be perfectly honest. We do have to see what the CPI data has in store for us tomorrow, which is Friday, 5:30 a.m. And then next week, we have a Fed FOMC meeting that's also going to toy with the market a little bit, as well as on the 17th, we have options expiration Friday. So with that being said, this market could essentially chop up and down if we don't start reclaiming that 400, 401 level on the triple Qs. We're going to find out very quickly, and I think we might get that answer tomorrow after the CPI data. If we do break down, we are going to see a continued flush, and I'm almost 100% positive that we will flush back down to the 50 EMA or the 50 SMA level, that 385, 380 level. The line in the sand to the downside is 379. If we were to lose at 379, 378, there could be a little bit more selling pressure. But if we hold this line, if we hold the line and we get a daily close over that 400, over that 401, I am perfectly confident to say that I believe that the rally is going to be on. We just need more data. And that's what sucks, because every day you come into the market ready to trade, you want to trade, but you don't have to trade. And that's the thing. When you start trying to force trades, you can really chop yourself up. I took 2 bad trades this week. Luckily, I was able to get out of them with a very small loss. you know, a couple of paper cuts. But at the end of the day, when I looked back and I evaluated those trades, they were stupid trades and I was just forcing it. You know, it was what I wanted the market to do. And anytime you start doing that, you got to just take a step back, take your hand off of the mouse, take your eyes off the computer screen or whatever it is that you're using to trade on, and kind of get yourself away from the market, because you can really do some damage to yourself in a time like this, when we could be looking back at a time like this in 3-4 weeks from now and saying, you know, we're in the best bull market that we've had in ages, or, you know, we're clearly on a road to the downside and there's short setup after short setup that we can take advantage of. So just be careful, guys. And that's the level that I'm looking for. So what I'm really looking for here on Tesla to the downside tomorrow is, are we going to hold these lows, this 996 level? Okay, so this 996 level is going to be key. If Tesla wants to do some sort of reversal, it just has so much resistance up ahead. I'm really not looking for Tesla long until it starts to take out some of this supply zones on a couple of daily closes here. But if we just kind of look at the daily time frame here, that 996 area is going to be losing the 50-day moving average on the daily time frame. If Tesla starts losing the 50-day moving average, we are going to come down here to this 950. There ain't no doubt about it. And if Tesla starts to lose this 950, we do have a gap to fill here at around 911, which is also going to correlate with the 100-day moving average, as well as this channel line here at around 892, guys. So it does look like Tesla's starting to form a little bit of a bear flag. We have held this, you know, 1,000 level 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. We cracked below it 5 times, 6 times. So, you know, the more times we keep testing this level and not able to rally back to the highs, you know, it's just showing that the stock can potentially be getting weaker and weaker. So if that CPI data comes out tomorrow and it's not what the market wants to hear, be looking for Tesla short under 996, with definitely a 30 to 50 point max potential on that play going into Friday tomorrow, which is going to be the 10th of December. Until next time, guys, I will see you guys all in the next video. If you could do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Also, join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below, and I will see you guys all tomorrow.